Friends, in this video, we're going to discuss 10 small manufacturing machines that can help you start a home-based manufacturing business in 2026. These small manufacturing machines are suitable for low-investment business setups and small factory setups in India. Many people think manufacturing business means a big factory, huge investment, and very high risk. But today there are several small machines that people are using from home, garages, and small workshops to explore business opportunities on a manageable scale. And the best part is that many of these businesses have a good response in the market. And in many cities, demand has been growing recently. But it still depends a lot on your local market and competition. So if you're also thinking of starting a manufacturing business from a home or a small garage, then watch the video till the end. However, before starting a business with these machines, their functionality and training are necessary. But don't worry, friends, you can learn these from the machine manufacturer. So don't forget to watch this video from start to finish. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Disposable coffee cup lid making machine. Our first machine is a disposable coffee cup lid making machine. With cafes, cloud kitchens, and takeaway counters increasing in many Indian cities, there is currently regular demand for coffee lids. This machine generally needs around 400 to 600 square feet of space and can supply to local cafes, distributors, and packaging suppliers. Usually, repeat orders come from distributors, cafe chains, and corporate canteens, not just small tea stalls. However, this machine alone does not create orders. You must study local food outlets, check competition, and understand whether distributors in your region are ready to add a new supplier. Number 2 is Cornpuff snack making machine. The namkeen and snack market in India is large, and many age groups consume snacks daily. This machine can operate in around 300 to 500 square feet of space and produce different shapes and flavors of corn puffs for local kirana stores, school canteens, and small supermarkets. However, before you get excited about the snack market, to have a chance, you usually need consistent taste, attractive packaging, and proper FSSAI compliance. Also, these snack businesses can be competitive, and without strong quality, food safety practices, and marketing, you may find it difficult to get shelf space and repeat sales. Number 3. Honeycomb packing paper making machine. As e-commerce grows and plastic restrictions increase, many sellers are shifting to eco-friendly packaging. This machine needs relatively compact space and converts craft paper into honeycomb structure for protective packaging. Target customers can be online sellers, logistics companies, and local manufacturers who ship fragile goods. However, the demand can vary by region. So before investing, map how many e-commerce sellers, glassware dealers, or handicraft exporters are within reachable distance and whether they already have stable suppliers. Number 4. Paper food trays making machine. Today, with street food, cloud kitchens, and parcel culture, disposable trays are widely used. You can run this machine with 300 to 600 square feet space and supply to street vendors, caterers, and food courts. Raw material is typically food grade paper board. So first you can check your area and count how many food outlets within 5 to 10 kilometers use disposable trays and ask where to buy from. And also, to enter this market, you need competitive pricing, hygiene standards, and strong relationships with wholesalers or big caterers. Number 5. Food dehydrator machine. This machine is used for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other foodstuffs. Generally, health-conscious consumers and food brands have used dehydrated products for snacks, premixes, and seasoning. So you can often start in a small single room using trays and proper ventilation and hygiene. And the successful units typically concentrate on a single product or two, such as onion powder, dried chili, or a mixture of herbs, and refine the process. But remember, food processing requires strict hygiene, possible licensing, and reliable buyers such as retailers or other manufacturers. Number 6. Jewelry polishing machine. Instead of selling products, this is a service-based model. In today's time, many jewelers and small manufacturers often need polishing, buffing, and finishing support. And this can also be run from even a limited space, even in a small room, if ventilation and safety are managed. However, this business depends on trust and precision, and any mistake with customer material can damage relationships. So skill, practice, and proper handling systems are critical. Number 7 is cleaning sponges making machine. Kitchen and cleaning sponges are used daily in homes, restaurants, and hotels. And a small unit of 400 to 700 square feet can cut and pack sponges for wholesalers, supermarkets and restaurant suppliers, or private label manufacturers is also possible, where you produce under another company's brand. Generally, the FMCG products usually have thin margins and high competition. So you must control raw material cost, maintain quality, and be ready to give credit in some markets. Number 8 is copper wire granulator machine. This machine is used in the recycling sector to separate copper from waste wires and cables. And scrap dealers, electrical contractors, and demolition companies can be possible suppliers of raw material for you. And the end product, clean copper granules, is sold to metal recyclers or manufacturers. But the recycling business are affected by metal price fluctuations, regulations, and environmental norms. So a detailed feasibility study and legal compliance are essential before starting. Number 9. Car mat making machine. With rising vehicle ownership and interest in car accessories, there is consistent use of floor mats. So you can start customized designs, and logos can create differentiation in this unit, which usually needs 500 to 800 square feet. And you can sell the car accessory shops, dealerships, and online buyers. You need proper knowledge of different car models, sizes, and quality expectations. Also, building relationships with dealers can take time and effort. Number 10. Coffee capsule filling machine. Finally, we look at coffee capsule filling machines. Premium coffee culture is slowly growing in Indian metros, and many consumers buy capsule-based machines for convenience. So local capsule filling can target cafes, offices, and online customers who want fresher or more affordable options compared to imported brands. This model usually works better in metros and higher income urban pockets. And the premium markets have higher expectations of taste, consistency, and branding without strong product development and marketing. Demand may remain limited. Friends, choosing the right machine from these 10 machines and starting a business can be one possible option to explore based on your situation. However, this machine alone does not guarantee success. You must study local demand, calculate full costs, and plan how you will find and detain buyers. So, before investing, compare competitors in your area and understand how many orders you realistically can get. Start small, test the local market, and then scale up gradually. If you start with the right strategy, even a small home-based organization can grow into a strong business. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.